Hi children, today we're going to learn blending using the ActiveBoard. Okay, now we go to the group 2 sound, letter E here. Okay, now going to do some revision first. What is the sound for A, T, E, P, N, K? Okay, then we scroll down. Go to the blending. Go to the blending flashcards. Okay, now we're going to press here. Okay, now going to blend together. What is the sound for?
Add, set.
Okay. Set. Okay, press again.
Add, set.
Okay, set. Okay, go to the next one. How it is?
Add, 10.
Again. 10. How many fingers you have? Oh, I have 10 fingers. Okay, now go to the next one. How to blend this word here?
Pen.
Okay, again. Pen. Okay, normally you use pencil to write, right? Only daddy, mommy, and teacher use pen. Okay? Go to the next one. What is this one?
Net.
Again.
Net.
Ooh, the fisherman used net to catch the fish. How about this one?
Add, pet.
Pet. Do you have a pet at home? Some of you may have a dog or a cat or a fish. What is this word here? Scent. Again. Scent. How about this word here? Tent. Tent. I know someone has a tent at home. I think it's Isaac. He has a play tent at home. What is this? Step. Again. Step. How about this one? Again. Nest. The bird lays egg in the nest. How about this one? Test. How about this word here? Cap. Cap. How about this one? Neck. Where's your neck? So can you point your neck? Oh, what is this word here? So many sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sounds. Spend. Again. Spend. Okay, this is the last one. Very good. Learn your blending, okay, children?